Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. I'm going to jump in here and show you the reduce file size. So this is another one where you can look at the different settings in here, load as many documents as you want. You can set the quality dial as high or low as you want. But what I want to show you here is the edit custom presets. When I come in here, it'll allow us to kind of pinpoint what we're looking to reduce or where we're allowing things to be reduced. So here we've got images. We can go through and change settings there. If we go to fonts, we can look at things there. Miscellaneous. If you're not worried about some of the metadata, uncheck that or check it so that it purges some of that information. And so on and so forth. So you can pinpoint what exactly you're okay with reducing or getting rid of so your file size changes. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.